Hi, welcome along to Barbecue Life UK. My name's Tom, just a dad trying to cook good barbecue and share those recipes with you guys. Today I'm going to show you how to get your Weber kettle winter ready.
So a grate degreaser is a window cleaner. So we're going to get the grate covered in window cleaner first, just to let that soak. To give that a good few squirts. Move it off to one side to soak. Get your bottom grate out. This is relatively clean, it's just got a bit of ash on there. And then we want to make sure that we've got all of the loose ash out the bottom. So just knock all the last bits down the holes. This will just stop it from clagging up in the bottom. And we're going to be getting all of this hard stuff and greasy stuff off the edge. So a lot of videos out there say to use a plastic scraper, which I've used before, and as you can see, you don't seem to get anywhere. It leaves big pieces behind. So I've found the best thing to use is an old store card or an old credit or debit card, and as you can see, you scrape this down and it takes a lot off. So you want to work your way right the way around the kettle without adding any degreaser first, and get all of that down the holes. So once you've done that, clean off your blades again just with that card, give them a good scrape, knock everything down the holes. And if you do have any stubborn bits, this is where your plastic scraper comes into its own, so you can really get them hard bits off with that. Again, knock everything in the hole so we don't get any claggy bits once we add some degreaser. So now we're going to get in with that window cleaner again. So all the way around, and we're going to let that sit for a good couple of minutes before we start scraping. So that's sat for a couple of minutes. Get in with your card again, scrape round, and as you can see, it all starts to peel off. Now you might want to repeat this 2, 3, maybe 4 times, depending on how much you've got built up in there. Make sure you go at it from different directions. So once you've done this, is add 3 times. So I'm now just going on with a bit of soapy hot water, just knocking off any of them bits of grease that are loose but are still there. I work your way around the kettle, and then we're going up with just standard washing up liquid. So you want to squirt some of that in and then get that foamed up, and again leave that for a couple of minutes, and this is really your final stage. So all of these degreasers just work away at chipping away at the grease. It takes 2, maybe 3 times of each stage to get it off, but it's much better than using harsh chemicals. And don't forget to go around the rim at the top. So once that's soaked in, get in, give it a good scrub again, working your way around. As I say, after 2 or 3 times of doing this, your kettle bowl should look like this. At this point, I'm going to say I managed to lose the footage of me cleaning the lid. I ended up with a corrupt file. So the lid is cleaned in exactly the same way, and I also managed to lose the lid of the grill. Lose the footage of the grill grate. So I'm just going to go through it quickly. So I've got a little cutout in my grill brush. I don't use the brush itself. I just use the cutout and I scrape that along the grill, and that is what gives it its nice look. And then get the lid on and you're done.
So if this video has given you any sort of value, then please do make sure you hit that subscribe button, like the video, and leave me a comment. While we're here, just going to remind you again that we've got a Christmas sort of mini series coming up, so make sure that you don't miss that. Again, make sure that you subscribe, ring the bell for notifications so you're not missing out.